everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over part 3, step 4 of the Shim Sham Shimmy. So we're rounding out part 3 with step 4, which is the half break. If you have not yet learned the original, which is part 1, I would recommend going and watching those videos first, steps 1 through 4 of part 1. Learning the entire original Shim Sham, and then coming back to this variation of it, because the part 1, the original, is the base for all of the variations and different versions of it. And so if you don't have the base, learning the variations are going to be a little bit tricky for you. So you can find those in my Shim Sham Shimmy playlist that I have linked down in my description box below. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, but we're going to go ahead and get started here. So this is the half break. This is the variation on the half break, part 3, step 4. So we're going to start it as though we're starting the half break. So the half break, if you remember, starts stomp, step, shuffle, ball change, stomp, step, shuffle, ball change, and then we go into the break, okay? So this one, you're going to start with the stomp, step, shuffle, but it's going to get a little bit different because now we're going to switch sides on this one. See how we stay on the same side on the original. This time we're going to go right side, left side, or I guess it would be left side because we're facing left side, but technically we're starting with the right foot. So you're going to go stomp, step, shuffle, heel, step. Okay? So again, that's stomp, step, shuffle, heel, step. Now you're going to switch it and go left side over to the right. So now it's going to go stomp, step, shuffle, heel, step. Stomp, step, shuffle, heel, step. Okay? So that's the main difference. Instead of doing a ball change, you're now going to replace it with a heel drop, and we're switching sides. So it's stomp, step, shuffle, heel, step. Left side. And then we're going to go back into that regular break. The stomp, tip, step, heel, step, out, in. Okay? So that's the whole thing right there for the half break. So the main difference is that we're switching sides. So we have stomp, step, shuffle, heel, step. Stomp, step, shuffle, heel, step. Regular break. And now we're going to repeat it again from the top. So now we have again, stomp, step, shuffle, heel, step. And then the break. Okay, nicely done. Let's go ahead and try that again a little bit faster. So this one starts on 8, just like all the rest. So we just finished actually the tack Annie. Okay, so we're here. We just went 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4, 5, 6, 7. On 8, we're gonna go 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then repeat it again. Okay, here we go. From the top, starts on 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Left side, break. Again, 8, 1, left side, break. All right, nicely done. Let's try it faster. Here we go. Starts on 8. 5, 6, 7. Break. Again. Break. All right, nicely done. So this one is a little bit of a brain teaser because we're not used to switching sides with the half break. So it's a little bit hard in that aspect. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song or a step suggestion, I would love to hear your suggestions. Go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below and I'll get to them as soon as possible. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.